The courtroom rises in unison. The tension is immediate. Judge Vonda B. steps in with calm authority, signaling that this case, one that's been brewing under the surface, is finally ready to be heard.
1040 Golden case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Mr. Belk, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Well, long story short,
The judge calls case JVB 1040 the Belk case. As the room settles, Mr. Bilk steps forward. His voice is steady, but there's a weight behind it. He has carried this burden alone for far too long.
I was put on child support by my baby's mother. And for the past year, I've basically been having full custody. Not legal, of course.
He explains the root of his frustration. Though he was placed on child support, he's been the one raising his 4-year-old daughter full-time. No court order. No formal custody. Just responsibility he never walked away from.
She comes and goes as she pleases, pops up unannounced, and I'm here today to place her on child support.
Okay. How old is your child?
My child is 4 years old.
Boy or girl?
She's a little girl.
Okay.
The judge listens closely as he describes a mother who appears at random, unannounced, unpredictable, and uninvolved. The courtroom feels the imbalance of it. A father steady and present. A mother drifting in and out of her child's life.
And you said mom just pops up every now and then. For the past year, your daughter has been living with
Completely careless, just shows whenever she pleases.
What is she doing? Do you know?
I have no idea. I've heard here and there that she's really living that part.
When asked what the mother is doing, he admits he doesn't know. Rumors suggest a party lifestyle. He doesn't judge it. He doesn't dwell on it. He stays focused on the child who depends on him daily.
Party life, so, I mean, that's none of my business, so I'm not too worried about that. I'm just here for my daughter and to take care of her.
Okay. Okay. Understood. Do you know where mom worked last? Do you know how much money she makes?
I do not.
The judge asks when he last saw the mother. His answer, 4 months ago. 4 months since she last saw her daughter as well. The room quiets, because those numbers say more than any argument could.
I do not, Your Honor, I do not have that information with me.
Okay. When was the last time you actually seen her?
As of today, it's been about 4 months.
Oh, okay. Okay, and that was the last time your daughter has seen her too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So this what we'll do immediately. It's obvious that she gave the child to you, and you are her primary caretaker now, so it wouldn't be fair.
Judge Vonda steps in with clarity and decisiveness. If the child has been living with dad for a year, then continuing his child support makes no sense. She moves to terminate his obligation and prepare a new one, this time for the absent mother.
To continue your child support obligation. So what we're going to do is stop yours and then start a child support obligation on her. I see that she was served to be here today. She's not here. And obviously you don't know where she is. You haven't seen her in the past 4 months. How many other children does she have?
She has 3 children.
Including your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It becomes clear, the mother was properly served but didn't show. She has 3 children in total, including this little girl. With no financial information provided, the judge turns to minimum wage guidelines to calculate support.
So I don't have any financial information in front of me for her, but what I can do is put her on child support based on what it would be around minimum wage for 3 kids. Do you have health insurance on your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
How much is it?
It's around $650, $675.
Ooh, is that for you and the child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how many people are on that insurance?
It's just me and her.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll divide that by 2 because...
Dad confirms he carries the child's health insurance, over $600 a month. The judge cuts it in half, following the law. Line by line, She builds a fair and balanced order to ensure this child's needs are met.
By law, she's only required to carry health insurance for the child only.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll make her child support set at minimum wage, which is around $213, plus the half of the $675. So her child support obligation will come out to $550.50 every month.
All right.
All right, and that's what we'll do. Do you have any other questions?
No, it's not.
The final figure lands $550.50 per month. A number that reflects responsibility finally shifting to the parent who walked away. Dad has no further questions. The judge dismisses him with respect, and relief washes over his face.
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi guys, it's me, Judge Vonda B. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Belt case. Dad was ordered to pay child support previously. Child was living with mom. Well, what did you hear interesting about that case? The child has now been living with dad for the past year, so it would.
Judge Vonda returns with her post-case breakdown, explaining the legal term at the center of this decision, voluntary relinquishment. When a parent hands over possession of a child, willingly and without dispute, the financial obligations follow.
It wouldn't be fair to keep dad on child support. Therefore, his case needs to be modified. Well, what mom did is known as voluntary relinquishment. What is that exactly? Voluntary relinquishment is when one parent gives up their possession of the child to the other parent. When that occurs, the parent who gave up the child should then start paying child support. So that's why in this case, mom was ordered to pay child support to dad. Something else you may have noticed, mom was not present for court. Remember, guys.
She reminds viewers that showing up to court is not optional. Orders are made with or without you. And today's outcome, decisive and measured, was shaped largely by the mother's absence. When you give up your time with your child, you don't give up your responsibility to support them.